Maybe yes, guys. I think you have seen birds before, but you didn't see many that are located over here. We're actually in Andhra Pradesh. Have I mentioned that? Andhra Pradesh, Amlapuram, and East Godavari district. So, this is our village, and we'll show you around in part 3. This is part 2. So, see you guys. Bye. This is all for today. Maybe you want to see something else. Let's check it out. I'll show you. So guys, check out my flower collection. It's awesome. So let's check it out. So guys, check it out. All of my flowers that I have. Check it out, guys. Check it out, guys. All of my flowers that I have. I brought all this. So guys, this is the white hibiscus that I showed you last time. I plucked it out from there. And this is a red hibiscus. It's dying out. So I collected these to show you guys, you know? Check it out, guys. A red hibiscus. After that, some kind of a yellow flower. And they're dying out. A pink hibiscus with a lot of ants. The other pink hibiscus. So, what kind of ants are these? So, check this out. If you want to explore about ants, go and check out Ants Canada. Look at this lavenders that I showed you. Look at these. You guys know these flowers, I think. I correctly don't know these. Check these out. They're very different. These are kind of tulips, I think. So, what I didn't show you? This one, this flower that I showed you earlier in those bushes. So that's all, guys, for today. All my flowers. That's all. I'm bringing them out. So, bye guys. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.